This is Irontrader. This is the last call of the week, so we're going to take a look here at crude oil and natural gas. But first, we're going to take a look here at Tesla, TSLA. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, selling stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have Tesla, your daily and your weekly chart. Let's take a little peek ski at it here. Okay, now this is a really good trader here. Now again, yesterday we had that high basically of 261.75 and a low of 251.53. You can see that's a good 10 points of scalping, that you could have done either long or short. Now you can easily short this with TSLS, and you can make money both ways. So you don't always look at I only can go long. Okay, today we had a high of 260.33 and 254.12 on the bottom. So what we have is an inside day, which is basically your high and low is the inside of the previous day. So let's take a look at the upside here first. So what you want to look at is 261.75. That was yesterday's high. Now, again, if we can get above all that there, then what we're going to be doing is we're going to look to this top of this candle right here. You're looking at 265.60, and then we had that big retest up here at 271. Now, you break out of 271, well, as I say, we can go much, much higher because look at here on a weekly chart here. Okay, your big target is going to be right here. You come over here, you're looking at 278.98, and then we can come up here to 285.30, and then we come all the way up here to 299.29 here. But the key is what's going to do, what is the reaction when it hits that 271? Okay, so you can see it real clearly on the weekly. Is it going to come in double top and come down? Or is she going to break through and then go right to that next level here? So always watch that price channel. That's going to be very key, that 271 flat. And then we just bring the other price channel right across. And then you're looking at that 278.98. And we just follow these candles all the way up nicely until you hit that 299.29 mark here. Okay, so now on the downside, what you obviously want to watch is we want to watch this candle here. Okay, so this is going to be key, 257.79. That's what you want to watch. And then we'll look at today's low. You're looking at 254.12, and then we look at yesterday's low at 251.53, and then we come down here to this 8-day at 248.07. But you can see here, see this price above that 8-day. Every time I talk about when that price is above the 8-day, where does she go? Very, very bullish chart here. You got your 8 days is on the way up here. Your 21-day is on the way up here. Your 100-day crossed the 200-day. This is very, very bullish chart. Now you're only sitting at 67. You could go a long ways here. This is the red line is 70. But we can get higher than that. Now, if you look at your MACD, you're green over your red, but you're just starting at the bottom here. So this has plenty of room to run here if you are trading this. Now, same way on the weekly, your RSI is only at 65. Got plenty of room up high. And then we want to look at here as your MACD, your green over your red. That's looking also very bullish. The key is just look at yesterday's high, that 261.75, and then we just, all you got to do is just bring the candles right on over here, and then we can just look at that 271. That is going to be the breakout. What's going to happen when it gets there? Is it going to break right onto that, or is she going to double top and come down? Again, if she breaks out, look at that here. You got some really nice targets at 27.98, and then here's your big target at 299.29. Okay, let's take a look here at crude oil and natural gas. Okay, here we have crude oil. It's just a little bit of relief rally here today. It's really nothing, it's a nothing burger kind of situation. Now, again, let's just look at the downside first. So what you want to do when those futures open Sunday night, you want to look at this top of this candle, which is basically 68.64 and the bottom 67.06. If that 67.06 is lost, then we'll come over to yesterday's low, that's 66.95. That's going to be support. And then we'll come here at 65.63 and then 65.27. That is going to be your big target. Upside here, we want to look at today's high. That's at 68.64 level. And then what we can do here, we can come right on here. What we got? You got 69.13. And then here's your big target. It's going to be, it's this 69.91. This is very, very key. This 8-day and this 21-day are very, very key. But now you can see, whereas it was rolling up, now they pretty much joined together, and now there's on the downside, okay? Just like the 50-day and the 100-day, okay? So this is still a bearish chart going on, even though we have a little relief rally, which was a good trader today. UCO was actually a very, very good trader today, so I was happy with the trade on that. But again, we have this double top situation and that series of lower highs. that's never good. Okay, so you just draw that trend line down. You can go all the way up to this 50-day and probably even higher, and it's not going to make a whole hell of a lot of difference. This is still a bearish chart. Plus, we have the seasonality in play here, not looking very, very good. However, that doesn't mean you can't make money trading it on the upside and the downside. So again, when those futures open, just watch that 68.64, that low of 67.06. And then I say if you can rally up here, just look at this area right here, that 68, 69.93 level. That's going to be your big, big resistant level there. On downside, just watch. You can watch today's low and then yesterday's low. If that's lost, basically you're going to come and retest this 65.27. Now, natural gas here, you can see where you have it. Just this is that contract roll. So I kind of threw this off here a little bit, okay? But that's normal. That's just how that goes. So again, we had this basically an engulfing candle here. You see this? This today's candle just engulfed yesterday's candle. Put in a lower low and now a nice higher high, and we're looking very, very good here. So what you want to trade against here is just look at today's high. You're looking at that 2.928. So your next level, as I say, just follow these price channels, bring them right across, and what we have here, your next level is going to be 294. 2.948, I should say. That's going to be your next level. And then we'll come up to the top of this candle. You're looking at 3 flat. And then we come up here at 309. We have 313. And there's your big retest there at 315. So if it keeps running up here, if it gets to that 315, we have to see what it does, okay? Does it break through and go higher? Or does it just, double top situation and then come down here, okay? So, just, be very, very careful. Just trade the market. That's what I'm doing, and it seems to work very, very good. UNG was a really good scalper today. I am long UNG from this area. I added 2,500 shares from this area. I'm 7,500 long, and I'm trading 5,000 shares. Okay, so this here in this seasonality period, this just looks like it wants to go higher. So you can see where this contract roll, gap and go. This contract roll here looks like a gap and a go situation also. Okay, so again, we have to just wait till next week here, and then we can figure out this RSI and this MACD, because when you have that contract roll, it just kind of throws everything off a little bit here. But this just looks higher kind of a situation here. So I'm looking for this retest right there at 315 level, and I'm going to see what's going to happen when it gets there. If it gets there, okay, and then what it does when it does. Does it break through, or does it double top and come right on down? Okay, that's what I got for you, and I'll be back here Sunday night. Now, the futures open at 6. I'll be here, after that, I'll have a video for you to get you all set up there for Monday. So everybody have a great weekend, and I will see you then. Remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.